Alright, this video right here is how to hook up your neutral safety switch for your B&M shifter if you're using this style neutral safety switch. The blue wire is hooked up to the COM side of the switch and ran to the back of the starter button. This is the type of switch panel that I have. Got it off Amazon. The black wire is running off the normally open terminal on the switch to the starter solenoid, S side of the starter solenoid on your starter. Just to show you that it works, we're in park. See, the switch is pressed in, meaning it's completed the circuit. And all right, just tapping it. I'm gonna pull it back. Switch is at rest. We are in drive, or better yet, take all back to first or low. Now, the neutral safety switch is working like it's supposed to. So this is a how-to video. Like, comment, and subscribe.